Hello there, my name's Chris. Welcome to the Bathroom Installation Specialist. Right, let me take you through some beautiful bathrooms that we're doing at the moment. This bathroom here, believe it or not, was actually two bathrooms. There used to be a door there, and this is a little walkway with a door into that bathroom and a door into that bathroom. So what we've done, obviously blocked up that door there, and we just made it into one big bathroom. Because it's not as wide as the other ones that we're doing in the property, we put a wall hung vanity unit in, so it just gives that illusion of making it look a bit bigger. And what we've done, we've got the mixer here, so that is the bath. To run, walked in the bath, we've got another, obviously, turn, and it's our shower attachment, which is going to be going up there. It's all brushed brass in this bathroom. Going to have a towel rail there with a little column radiator, brushed brass towel rail around. We have a triple column radiator there. We're going to have a wall hung toilet there, brushed brass flush plate, obviously our niche, got the lights coming through, and also what we've done is the customer wanted side lights, so it's all completely symmetrical, bang in the middle of our vanity and 1 metre away from each wall, so it's all completely symmetrical. Obviously our fan is going up there, and what I'll say about these tiles, they're beautiful tiles. Absolutely stunning. But what we've done, we've mitered the tiles all the way around. So we've mitered. Obviously you can see gaps there at the moment. But with the mitering, the tiles are cut at 45 degree, precision angle, 45 degree. So you're not going to see a trim. You're not going to see a metal trim. All you're going to see in there, you're not going to put grout in there. We're going to put a resin, because the grout will just fall out over time. So we're going to put a beautiful line of resin all the way through there. Clean this all up. Obviously a lick of paint, it's going to be absolutely stunning, this one. And that's it, but I'll show you exactly what it looks like once it's all complete. But we're on second fix now, so it shouldn't be too long. Chris Boiler and Bathroom Installation Specialist. Thank you.